Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
So here we have a Rolls-Royce Wraith with us, and I want to show you some functions of the car that I think definitely that you need to know. Here we have 3 buttons. Here is to open the car. Here is to close it. And here, if you hold this button, the trunk is going to open. It as well has the keyless entry where you can just hold the keys next to the door and it's going to automatically open. And to close the car, there's a button on the side. You just press it and keep holding it and the door will close automatically. And here we have an umbrella in the door, so you can just retract it with pressing the button and it's gonna come out. And here we have the buttons for the windows. They're classic. You press it down, the window is gonna go down. You press it up, the window is gonna go back up. Here we have side mirror controllers. You click it on the right and you control your mirror with this. Click it on the left and you will control it the same way. And here I'm going to show you some of the controllers of media and the AC controllers. Here, for example, we have this dashboard. It controls all the media. You can press menu, you can press backwards, you have options, and you control everything with this round button. And whenever you need to press on something or pick an option, you just press like this. The AC controllers is on this board. It's how we control the strength of the fan. Here is our temperature. And here we have ventilated seats or heating seats. And here, if you want to block the air completely, you just press this button, press those 2 buttons, or retract. As well as you can connect your phone to music or media through a Bluetooth connection or through USB device that goes under this armrest. And here I want to show you how do you switch gears. It's basically similar to Mercedes. You press on the brake and you shift it down for drive, shift it up for reverse, and press this button for park. To control the star roof, to turn it off and on, this button controls it, this turns it off, this turns it back on. To control the brightness of the stars, the button is up here. You might not see the difference because it's very light, but you push the button down and the brightness will go down. You shift it back up and the brightness will bright up. Here we have the light controllers. We have it on auto now. If you want to just turn the light on, you can push it here, or you can just go all the way down. For the blinkers, it's like on any other car. It's on the left. To turn the left blinker, you push it down and you will see it on the dashboard. To turn on the right one, you put it up and it's going to turn on. Turn it back off, just tap it down once. On the steering wheel, on the right side, we have volume control of the media. There it is. And on the left, we have cruise control.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!